Hey guys, welcome back to Toshkicks. Today I'm off to Crep City Manchester at the Trafford Centre. I'm excited about this because I've never been to a Crep City outside of London. I've been to 2 Crep Cities and I enjoyed both of them. So we'll see what happens with this one. In terms of what I'm looking for probably the Air Max 95 Cortez. I mean, I have a lot of the Jordans that I need or want. You don't actually need any Jordans, want that is. But I'll see what happens in terms of what deals we can do. I do have a shoe I want to try and trade, which is the Air Max 90 Sloan. I only have it in the size 10, so if I want to trade it to a size 11, maybe in a white colorway, the silk colorway maybe, that one. And let's see if we can do some coin flips and some deals. It should be good fun, man. I'm excited about this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I specialise in streetwear, particularly Palace and Supreme. Also Palace is my favourite brand.
Is it?
A lot of the stuff I've got is pre-owned. It's kind of like a big thing I push is that you can get stuff that like sold out years ago or recently released, but find the new home and affordable pricing between 40 and 60 quid for a t-shirt. It's pretty good.
It's a good price. It's a good price.
Yeah.
So what's your biggest selling one now?
My biggest seller is probably Palace t-shirts, but I do also do really well on like caps and accessories and stuff. Kind of because like some of these caps can be like 30 or 40 pounds, kind of like an affordable thing. One size fits all. I prefer to stick to clothing just on the basis that with trainers, I find it more difficult, right? The latest trainer comes out.
Volatile as well.
And also I need to get a size 7 in half size all the way up to a 12.
Yeah,
whereas like clothing is kind of like small, medium, large. Some people who are large can wear a medium, some people medium can wear a large, you know what I mean?
So guys, he's also got this Sloan skateboard. As
Yeah.
you guys know, Sloan is killing it at the moment. It's got the skateboard. Look at that. So what's your Instagram, bro?
My Instagram is Brayley Store. This is my surname, Brayley Store. You have to find me.
Aaron, this is Aaron, guys. He sold me the Travis's 4s for a wicked deal. And I've seen him here again, so big up to Aaron, man. And before we even split down, let me show you some of the heaters he's got. Mine's got the Prestos, you know. Off-white Presto. If you know, you know. Right? Like, it's just fire shoes. Look at that. Check him out on Instagram, man. I'm telling you now. If you want good deals and shoes, authentic shoes as well, I can vouch for that. I can verify that. He's a serious guy. The biggest question is, what's your size 11? Because I'm trying to get another deal out of you today.
I can't lie, I'm selling most of my collection. You got 10.5 in Air Force? You like Air Forces?
I've got 10 up in Air Force.
10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. 11.
Is that the UNC one? Is that the UNC 3s?
Yeah, they are, yeah. 11. Good price.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about that one.
These are 11s. The markers, the P6000, the Air Forces are 11. 11.
What size is that?
11. And 11.5.
He wants that bad. I would have got that for you, but they ain't got your size. I'm actually more interested in this one.
Yeah, they're nice. I don't know what I priced them at the bottom of the shoe. I think 350.
See, 450.
I'll do it for less.
I know you will, but that's what I'm saying. Like, great prices. It's not silly prices.
Yeah.
What's the other shoe like? What's the other one like? The other shoe.
That's brand new.
That's
a brand new shoe.
it's a brand new shoe.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
wow, for 450.
Yeah.
Man's killing it, man. I tell you that, guys. I'm telling you. Yeah, so it's been a great day so far. Saw a couple of good deals, told some stories with some sellers. Yeah, there's some good things happening, man. I'm very interested to see how this today pans out. I've got 3 shoes reserved for different sellers. Well, you guys have to find out what I get to take home today, but should be interesting. But yeah, we'll see.
Got some different pairs, got some fragment threes. Undefeated Air Force. UNCs. Got some lovely pre-loved Phantoms, decent prices.
The Travises.
Yeah, Joe. Some metallic 5s. Crazy pair.
One of the shoes of the year, boy.
Crazy pair.
One of the shoes
Crazy
of the year,
pair.
I can't
Crazy pair. Some different TNs.
Oh, yes.
Some ATL, and they got the Nike Gassi. Shout out to the
What's
80s.
the size you got in them?
Only a 10.5, bro.
10?
Yeah, 10.5.
10 and a half. Ooh.
Yeah, and it's, bro,
Ooh.
it's with the full box with the lid. You never see them with the lid. Because a lot of them end up in the...
You know what? Yeah, this might take my pee, actually.
What else?
I'm after this,
Something like...
This guy's gonna kill me today, boy. Oh my god, the Futuri dunks.
Futures. What else? Got
Dunk
dead
of the year last year for
dead
sure.
stock neons. You never see these dead stock.
What size is that?
That's a 9. We do have more, but not
Oh,
with us,
where is it?
unfortunately.
He loves the neons fours.
Some Supreme SPs.
Yeah, the Supremes.
High tops, clean,
Beautiful.
dead stock.
Yeah, baby.
These are slept on, but they're a cold pair. I don't really know much about them, but...
Is this used, yeah?
Pardon?
Is it used? Or is it
Nah,
brand new?
Brand new.
Oh my god.
What else? Just eBay dunks.
169.
Some John Babesters. Small
Is it? What kind of
details.
price is it?
Well used. Well loved. Some cold wool TNs. Yeah. I know. We tried to bring stuff that was gonna appeal to everyone, you know, not just stuff what I like.
I'm not. I really like it. But I can't lie. Very tempting. It's a good price as well. It's a good price. Can't lie. He's doing a good deal. He's giving me a good deal. He's giving me a good deal. Can't lie.
There are any stereotypical views on females in the sneaker industry?
I think there used to be, if I'll be honest. It used to be back in the day. But I think Nike's done a lot of work in the last 5 years where you have female-only exclusives. You got deals with female athletes who have their own signature shoes. I think the Sabrina 2 just came out recently as well. So
You got a Lily May as well.
Lily May, incredible
Massive, I love
shoes, incredible shoes. I actually have a pair of those.
So do I.
You know what I'm saying?
Which one have you got?
I got the red one.
I got a pink one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, so back in the day, and also I have the Nina Chanel one as well.
Okay.
The 3s that came out last year.
Okay, check you out.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So it's back in the day, it was like, oh, but now the green one she did. One of my favorite collaborators is Nina Chanel.
Really?
Yeah, because she's an artist. You can see that. So back in the day, maybe not so much now, because sneakers accepted now. Do you know what I mean? Like you can go out raving as a woman in sneakers, and you still get the big ups. Like, oh, you look crisp. So I think maybe before, but not so much now.
Why do you think there were certain views on female sneakerheads before? Like, why was it such a big thing for females to be into sneakers?
I think because it was associated with being a tomboy. Like it felt like almost feel like, oh, you're a tomboy, or you're not really like that. You're not feminine or something. It's not a bad thing at all. Like I grew up with tomboys, so it's all right. But I think people come into every woman that has trainers on doesn't mean she has to have heels on. Don't mean nothing. You know what I mean? And some women can rock the heels and the trainers. Do you know what I'm saying? So that don't mean nothing, man. So yeah, that's cool.
Can I ask you one more? What was the first pair of trainers you bought yourself?
Oh my God! Like first one I bought, a first hype one.
Your first pair that you ever bought for yourself? Because mine were baby fats.
I'm gonna take you back to Stingray. Remember the Stingray shoes? The high tops. Hey guys, what a great day at Crep City today. Met some really like-minded sneakerheads, hung out with Tim. It was really good fun, hung out with Owen. All trying to get into the sneakerhead thing, but hey. But yeah, I had a good time. Didn't quite do any deals today in the end because there just weren't enough deals to entice me. I was kind of tempted with the Powerpuff Girls, but we didn't quite close that deal. So, but yeah, thanks for joining me. Shout out to Tim for hooking up the tickets, for hanging out, telling stories. I love hearing different kind of perspective on shoes. Tim loved the Air Max and Sauconys. Obviously, I'm heavy into the Jordans and Nike, so I'm trying to broaden my horizon. But yeah, love it. Had fun. Shout out to all the sellers that spoke to us. Shout out to all the YouTubers that spoke to us. And I'm going to be another Crep City very soon. If there's one in your city you want me to come to, let me know. But I enjoyed myself looking at trainers, looking at new sneakers. What was surprising, actually, I've got to say this, is I wanted to wear the brick by brick, but I didn't in the end because I thought everybody else would be wearing it. I didn't see a single person wearing the brick by brick, so I wish I'd worn that. But maybe next one. But have a good time. I had a really good time. Shout out to Tim, shout out to all that came through. And then yeah, I will see you soon. Manchester is a wrap. See you shortly, guys. Take care.